Imagine this: two identical vacation rentals, same amenities, same distance from the beach. Both homes are beautifully designed, offering luxurious interiors, spacious rooms, and modern conveniences. They each have a private pool, a well-equipped kitchen, and cozy bedrooms that promise a restful night's sleep. One sits directly on the water's edge, offering panoramic ocean views. From its windows, you can see the waves crashing against the shore, the sun setting over the horizon, and the endless expanse of blue. The sound of the ocean is a constant, soothing presence, and the salty sea breeze fills the air. The other sits just one block back, its view obstructed. While it still offers a glimpse of the ocean, the view is partially blocked by other buildings and trees. The sounds of the waves are faint and the air is not as fresh. Yet it still provides a comfortable and pleasant stay, which commands a higher price. The answer might seem obvious, but let's delve deeper into why this is the case. You guessed it, the waterfront property. The allure of being right on the water's edge is undeniable. The premium for such a location is not just about the view, it's about the experience, the lifestyle, and the prestige that comes with it. In fact, studies show that properties near water can command a price premium of up to 75% or more. This significant increase in value is driven by the desirability of the location, the scarcity of waterfront properties, and the unique benefits they offer. Clearly, there's something undeniably alluring about being close to water. People are drawn to the tranquility, the beauty, and the sense of peace that comes with it. The sound of the waves, the smell of the sea, and the sight of the endless horizon create a unique and calming environment. But is it simply the beauty, or is there something deeper at play? Perhaps it's the connection to nature, the feeling of being part of something larger, or the sense of escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Whatever the reason, the price of tranquility is one that many are willing to pay. The magnetic pull we feel towards water is more than just an aesthetic preference. It's deeply rooted in our biology. From the earliest days of human history, water has been essential for survival, providing us with hydration, food, and a means of transportation. But beyond these practical uses, water has always held a special place in our hearts and minds. It's a source of inspiration, a symbol of life and renewal, and a place where we can find solace and peace. This innate connection is what I call blue mind, a mildly meditative state characterized by feelings of peace, calm, and happiness, triggered by our interactions with water. When we are near, in, on, or underwater, we enter a different state of mind. Our brains are hardwired to respond positively to water, and this response can have profound effects on our mental and emotional well-being. The sound of waves, the sight of a tranquil lake, or the feel of water on our skin can all trigger this state of blue mind. It's that sense of awe and wonder we experience when gazing at the vast ocean. The feeling of being connected to something much larger than ourselves. This connection can help us gain perspective on our lives, reduce stress, and promote a sense of well-being. The vastness of the ocean reminds us of the infinite possibilities that life holds, and the rhythmic motion of the waves can be incredibly soothing, helping to calm our minds and bodies. The gentle lull of waves lapping at the shore, creating a natural symphony that can lull us into a state of relaxation. This rhythmic sound has been shown to lower heart rates and reduce anxiety, making it an effective tool for managing stress. The repetitive nature of the waves can also help to clear our minds, allowing us to focus on the present moment and let go of our worries. The invigorating chill of a dip in a cool lake. This physical sensation can be incredibly refreshing, waking up our senses and making us feel more alive. Swimming in natural bodies of water can also provide a sense of freedom and adventure, allowing us to connect with nature in a deeply personal way. The buoyancy of the water supports our bodies, reducing the strain on our muscles and joints, and allowing us to move more freely. Blue Mind is about tapping into the restorative power of water to alleviate the stresses of our modern, technology-driven lives. In a world where we are constantly bombarded with information and distractions, finding moments of peace and tranquility is more important than ever. By reconnecting with water, we can find a sense of balance and harmony, allowing us to recharge and rejuvenate. Whether it's a walk along the beach, a swim in a lake, or simply sitting by a river, the presence of water can help us to find our center and restore our sense of well-being. Our brains are wired to respond positively to water. The sights and sounds of water trigger a cascade of physiological changes. Our heart rate slows, our breathing deepens, and stress hormones like cortisol decrease. This shift is orchestrated by the parasympathetic nervous system, responsible for the rest and digest response. When we're near water, this system takes over, inducing a state of relaxation and calm. Scientific evidence increasingly supports the anecdotal evidence that water is a natural stress reliever. Studies using fMRI technology have shown that viewing images of nature, particularly water scenes, can reduce activity in the amygdala, the brain's fear and stress center. Moreover, research has found that spending time near water can lower blood pressure and improve sleep quality. These findings highlight the tangible, measurable benefits of incorporating water into our lives. The principles of Blue Mind extend beyond simply being near a natural body of water. Think about the popularity of water features in urban spaces, the soothing sounds of rain playing on a phone app, or the growing trend of flotation therapy. These are all examples of how we're instinctively drawn to water's calming influence, even in urban environments. These practices offer a mini escape, a momentary dip into the restorative embrace of Blue Mind. Harnessing the power of blue tips for daily calm. Incorporating Blue Mind into your life doesn't require a complete lifestyle overhaul. Start small. Begin by integrating simple, water-related activities into your daily routine. These small changes can have a profound impact on your mental well-being and overall sense of calm. Take a walk by a lake or river during your lunch break. The gentle sounds of water and the natural surroundings can help clear your mind and reduce stress. Even a short 10-minute walk can make a significant difference in your mood and energy levels. Listen to recordings of ocean waves or rainfall to unwind after a long day. These soothing sounds can help you relax, improve your focus, and even enhance your sleep quality. Create a playlist of your favorite water sounds and use it during meditation, reading, or before bedtime. Even a few moments spent consciously connecting with water can make a difference. Dip your hand in a bowl of water, take a few deep breaths, and feel the calming effect. This simple act can ground you and bring a sense of peace and clarity. Consider adding a small water feature to your home or office to create a sense of tranquility in your immediate environment. The sound of flowing water can be incredibly soothing and can transform your space into a peaceful retreat. Whether it's a tabletop fountain or a small aquarium, these additions can help you stay connected to the calming presence of water throughout your day. Cultural currents, water, and well-being traditions. The profound connection between water and well-being is deeply ingrained in cultures around the world. From the Japanese practice of forest bathing, which often incorporates streams and waterfalls, to the ritualistic cleansing baths of ancient Rome, water has long been revered for its restorative and spiritual qualities. These traditions remind us of the enduring power of water to heal and rejuvenate, both physically and mentally. A drop of reflection, your personal Blue Mind moment. Think back to a time when you felt a profound sense of peace and tranquility near water. Perhaps it was the rhythmic crash of waves on a beach holiday, the gentle flow of a mountain stream on a hike, or even the simple pleasure of a warm bath at the end of a long day. These moments, however fleeting, offer a glimpse into the powerful and often underestimated impact water has on our well-being. The uncharted depths, a question to ponder. As we delve deeper into understanding the science behind Blue Mind, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities for improving our mental and emotional health. But it also begs the question, in a world increasingly dominated by technology and urban living, how can we better integrate the restorative power of water into our daily lives? Thanks for diving into the fascinating world of Blue Mind science with me today. Now that you understand how powerfully water affects your brain chemistry, I'd love to hear about your own experiences. What's your favorite way to connect with water? Do you notice the calming effects of beaches, lakes, or even fountains? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe for more science-backed insights on how nature impacts your mental well-being. If you found this information valuable, please hit that like button and share with someone who could use some natural stress relief. Next week, we're exploring environmental psychology and climate emotions, how our changing planet is creating entirely new emotional landscapes. Turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Until then, try to get your daily dose of blue mind, even if it's just watching the ripples in a glass of water. Your brain will thank you.